Hi, I'm Joanna Hanlon. I'm from McGovern Automotive Group.
Hi, I'm Scott Hodgson. I'm with Grappone Automotive.
Hi, my name is Dan Weed from Weed Family Automotive here in Concord, New Hampshire.
Good morning, my name is Scott Martin. I'm with Grappone Mazda.
All right, so today we have Bank Chevrolet, we have McGovern Auto Group, we have Grappone Automotive Group, we have Lakes Region Community College, Weed Family Automotive, all here at Concord High School today, CRTC program. The students are very engaged. We've already got a lot of interest from the students that are committing to the programs because they've gone out into internships and got to see what it's like out into the shop.
It's great. I was a student here myself, graduated in '82, so it's great to be back and see the huge improvements in the program and how far they've come.
I like the fact that they're really engaged. So far, all of the students coming in this morning have been really engaged and seem to be interested in what we had to say. And I didn't see any eye rolls, which is nice.
What stood out to me today was all the female techs in here. It's great to have a good diversity here in the automotive field.
We'll fill that out. You will need a letter of recommendation from your instructor. Hopefully you've been nice to them. You're going to get that if you go to a program like White Mountain. So, but every dealer is different, every shop's different.
So happy to be here. Great event, great school. We're happy to support it and look forward to a great future within the automotive programs.